Good morning everyone. So we are going to learn how to use Zotero to create your bibliography using the papers you have already downloaded. If you have downloaded, you have to just from Google type Zotero as I already typed. It is showing. Click. The first link is Zotero. It's absolutely free. There's software available of it and even a Google extension whichever you are comfortable with. Here I am going to use Zotero software which I've already downloaded. See, it's already there. So in Zotero software, we need to create a new folder where we can upload our research papers. We will name it project. Okay. Now as you can see, we have here, but there is no paper here that I am going to copy paste. You can copy paste them. Here I am going to drag and drop them. See. Now they are getting uploaded. It's very fast because they are already in your computer. It will take less than a minute. As you can see, they are already getting uploaded. Yeah, they are already uploaded. It's finished. Now we will have to create a bibliography. So we have to right click on the project folder, create bibliography from collection, left click. Here it's already bibliography. You can select the way you want to. MLA we are going to use. You can also get AP and other formats. It is by default it would be save as RTF in your device. Click it to save to clipboard. Click OK. It would have been already saved. You don't have to click anything. Yeah. Now we will open Word, blank sheet, and here you can see CTRL V. It will got paste. Amazing, na? Now you can change them according to the format as you like, however you like. Hope you like the video. Subscribe, share with your friends who are doing PhD research, where it would be very helpful for them. Thank you.